In front of me is POCO F6 Pro, and today I would like to show you how you can select and delete multiple photos at once. Begin by launching a gallery and holding one of your pictures that you wish to get rid of. Then hit select all at the top right corner. Tap on the ones that you wish to exclude, and then use remove button at the bottom right corner to delete the rest. Lastly, confirm your choice in the pop-up and wait. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!